What's poppin', everyone? It's Baby from All in One back with another video. Today I want to get straight into it because I seen somebody comment on a video I made a long time ago and they was like, yeah, you be taking forever to get to the point. All right, so these last like 5 videos I've been trying to get straight into it. So today we are going to be replacing the closure on my closure wig. I put curtain bangs on it because I thought I was going to look fire, but I didn't. So that's definitely not for me. So I am going to replace it, even though there's really nothing wrong with the lace, but I'm sick of those bangs. So yeah. Okay, so as you just saw me doing, go ahead and clip up that whole closure part and then go ahead and cut it off with your scissors. So go ahead and take your closure now. I have a 5x5 HD lace closure that I'm replacing it with. Make sure that you are getting the right size closure. If you have a 4x4 closure wig, get a 4x4 closure to replace on it. Don't get a 5x5 if you have a 4x4 wig. Then it's not going to fit, and this replacement will be tragic. So go ahead and place it where you want to sew it and use your T-pins to pin it down so it doesn't move at all. Okay, so the sides are tacked down. Go ahead and put a T-pin in the middle, in the back of your closure, just so it don't be flipping up while you're trying to sew. And just clip up that hair so that it's not in your way. Okay, so I like to start off in the middle of the closure in the back and go to one side, then start from the middle again, go to the other side, just because if I mess up on my alignment, I can just take it out and I'll have to redo the whole thing over again. This is the way I sew. I do not do anything special. I just sew the regular way. So yeah, I could slow it down so you guys could see exactly how I do it. I think I do it a little fast, so. Okay, so yeah, you're just gonna keep on going all the way till you get to the front. Okay, so it's normal to have just a little bit of closure left hanging out, and that's not sewed down to the track of the wig, so that's okay. And when you get to the end, just try to double back maybe like 3 times, just so when you're being rough with the wig, like let's say that you're washing it and everything, that it doesn't unsnitch. I say unstitch because yeah, that's too much time. Okay, so you're done with that side. Go ahead and start from the middle and do the other side. Okay guys, that is basically it. Now you would just take out the T-pins and you would go ahead and pluck some more if that's what you need to do and apply your wig. Just wanted to show you the inside real quick, nice and clean. So now while the wig is wet, the closure is wet, I am going to make my part that I want my hair to be styled in, and I'm gonna let it air dry or put it under the dryer, either one, as long as you're not blow drying it, because that makes the hair really frizzy. So yeah, I'm gonna set my part and I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I'll let you guys see what it looks like on my head. Okay, so this is the wig. I forgot all about this video, I'm not gonna even lie. I made this video like maybe 2 weeks ago and been wearing this wig glueless, of course, you already know. Of course you're always going to see lace no matter what in certain angles, like right there you definitely gonna see it, right here you don't. So it's a piece of fabric on your forehead, don't forget that. Replace your closures and frontals and buy good quality hair, because that way you don't have to throw away your wig after 2 months, or it'll always bounce back. Basically, if you get some good quality hair, like raw hair, which I sell, all-in-one collections, go ahead, buy from me, period. But yeah, so this is the finished product. Hair is fire, as y'all can see. This wig is 1.5 years old, and we're back in popping, we're back in business. So make sure y'all subscribe and like this video. I don't know when my next video will be, but hopefully it will be soon. So stay tuned, hit that notification bell so you will be informed whenever I do post another video. So y'all have a blessed day. See ya.